Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to track my Amazon product shipping details, and it shows sorry, we are unable to get the tracking information right now, redirecting to order details, and the countdown starts. So after this countdown is finished, it automatically goes to my order details, and here it shows my order date, total amount paid, product details and invoice also. So one more time I try to press track shipment, but unfortunately it again shows that same error message. So how to fix this issue? So my guessing is this is only occurs if maybe that seller does not update their tracking informations with this Amazon account, or sometimes this is occurs if maybe that seller does not prepare your order. So my best suggestion is you can track your order details once you get the item dispatched email or message. But some YouTube video shows if you get this message, just contact the Amazon customer care and they will resolve your issue. So there is no need to contact the Amazon support team. So you can wait for a maximum of 24 hours from the order time. So if maybe you did not get the tracking informations for more than 24 hours time period, you can contact the Amazon customer care. So otherwise there is no need. So friends, this video does not have any solutions. Then why I create it? So just I create the one awareness about this error message. So anyway, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, TechOns, and thanks for watching.